All right, it's time for us to get into your stock picks. Grant, what are you hanging your hat on today?
So I'm going with PSG Financial Services. I did pick it probably just over a year ago. It's really, it's a perfect environment for business like that. You've got obviously a high quality management. This has been one of the best compounders over the last 10 years. You've got a rising markets. So their actual fee base is growing. There's a bit of a wealth effect. People are going to come to them for advice. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of geopolitical risk. People want an advisor. They want someone to talk to. So I think this business is just going to continue going from strength to strength. They're an aggregator of independent financial advisors, rolling them up into their business, and they're driving growth through that. Plus some of the other, they're an asset manager and they sell insurance. So great business. One of the most sort of under the radar, high quality stocks in SA. And I think SA is the place to be this year. So that's my stock pick.
Are you sticking with SA, Jared?
It's a bit of a hybrid, my pick. So my pick is Investec Bank. So Investec, there's essentially 5 distinct businesses within the group. There's a South African bank, there's a UK bank, an SA wealth manager, UK wealth manager, and then they've got a 10% stake in the 91 asset management business. So a bit of a combination. We've got a positive view broadly towards the SA banking sector, just given lower interest rates are more conducive to lower credit losses and higher lending within the system. And I think broadly banks should trade well operationally. Investec has been a big laggard within the SA space, despite the banking sector trading well in South Africa. UK banks are up kind of north of 50% last year. Wealth management businesses in the UK have also done extremely well. Investec have got a stake in Rathbones, which is also up significantly. 91, I think, was up also 50% the second half of last year. So a lot of tailwinds to the parts of Investec, but the actual Investec shares lag quite significantly. We think, operationally, it's a very well-placed business, very high capital levels within the business, and a large buyback program, circa 2.5 billion that's ongoing in the market. I think operational momentum in terms of earnings will increase, and then just given the kind of capital position and the sum of the parts, there's always options to unlock value within the group. So we have good upside in the sum of the parts case on Investec.
All right, let's leave it there, gents. Thank you so much for your time and sharing your insights with us this evening. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Jared Houston from All Weather Capital and Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Up next, the close.